Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton. Thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar took a challenge towards our downside objective of 74.80 and held at the moment and quite respectively. In due course, the market is now finding short-term momentum and looking now towards a resistance of 75.55 possibly. But I do expect to see this short-term recovery to fail and eventually take out the 74.80 support and look down towards 74.25.35 or even lower towards the region of 73.60.70, as you can see here. The technicals are a little bit oversold and the trend is getting a little bit tired, so this is why the reason I hold the view of a small impulse to the upside, but potentially an opportunity to reshort the market and then see a further decline. Well, also, like the Aussie, the Euro has respected the support at 105.70. With a low being 69 overnight, the market is now finding a little bit of momentum and looking towards a resistance of 106.10.15. Towards 106.65.70, if we do clear 10.15, gives an opportunity for the bears to return and shorten this market, with a further outcome of this level of 105.70 being defeated and then taking on the challenge lower towards 104.55.70. Dollar yen, very, very disappointing to see that the advance overnight wasn't strong enough to clear that 65.75 area on 111. With the high being 57 overnight, the market is now turning back towards a support at 110.65. And as you can see here, beneath there, the firm support area of 109.90.95, and you can see here was clearly rejected on Friday. So once this spell of weakness eventually wanes or fades, then I expect to see a further upside challenge with the US dollar likely to turn around quite strong. But at the moment, in the shorter term, 4-hour time frame, the market is on the negative bias, as you can see here from the two technicals, from the MACD and the stochastic, so we could see this move down first. I'm not sure how far it will fall. As you can see here, the market is only stabbed towards that 109.90, so we may see a bullish response as previously seen. Well, sterling also recovers from the support at 123.65 and now looking towards the top side, coming in now at 124.30 and firmer above at 124.70.80. I still feel that the market will eventually turn towards the downside and reach its target of 122.10.20, and any advances towards the top side gives an opportunity to shorten this market. Still waiting for confirmation from the shooting star. We still need to see a full body of on the third candle to support a move towards 12.38. Although the market did tumble towards 46 low last night, did recover quite sharply and ended by posting a doji. So a little bit indecisiveness towards the downside this time. Unlike before, we saw that towards the top side. On the day, I expect to see a range of 47 to 58. And I'm still looking for this move to challenge 38, with any advances to fail beyond 58 towards 66 as a short-term cap. And wrapping up with silver, well, the rejection from that 18.5 or 30.45 area fell and briefly challenged that level of $17.80, but didn't defeat it. At the moment, the market is toying with the handle at $18. And I expect to see further weakness coming into this market as this pattern slowly confirms to a bearish scenario. So the immediate target holds towards 17.80, which is weakened from yesterday's challenge. And I'll be looking lower down towards the region of around 45. Any advances on the day should be capped at $18.10. So that wraps up my video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.